Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to be talking about how to create Facebook campaign on a very basic level. This video will be divided in four parts. The first part in this I'll talk about objective, brand awareness, consideration, conversions. I'll be able to tell you what it's about. Second is budgets. Here I will talk about what will be the total, how will you select the total budget, lifetime budget, daily budget, and the duration of the campaign. The third part will be your audiences. Here you will be able to understand how to target your audiences and what will be the right placements that you need to take care of. So this will be covered in this. And the fourth part will be your banner and text. I'll help you understand how to upload your banners and headlines and stuff like that. Now, if this video interests you, do keep on watching till the end and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. So now go to facebook.com/ads manager. There you will see this option called create. Now you will be landed to this page. This has three phases: awareness, consideration, conversion. And in awareness, obviously you have the option to promote brand awareness and reach. In consideration, as you can see, there are several options like traffic, engagement, app install, video views, lead generation, and messages. Since this is a basic level, I'll talk about the upper level only. In conversions, you can see this option called conversions. Here you can select if you want people to make a purchase or fill a form. In catalog sales, if you're an online store, you would like to promote your online catalog. Or in store traffic, you can promote a store as per the location, a store nearby. Uh, in this video, let me select traffic as an option. And if you scroll down, you have the option to name your campaign, ad set, and ad. Now you will be coming to this page. Here you have the option to, you can see we have selected website traffic. Here you see A/B test. You have the option to A/B test your audiences and everything. Now, if you scroll down, you will be able to see the traffic where you can move your traffic to. Website, app, messenger, WhatsApp, whatever suits your requirement the best. So we'll select website in this campaign. And if you scroll down, you'll see this option called offer. If at all there is an offer going on your website, you can switch it on and select your page and start the promotion. Here comes the second part, which is the budget part. Usually I select the lifetime budget, and if I have larger budgets, then I select lifetime budget. So let me select 5,000 rupees here as a lifetime budget. I'll select the date here as July. Okay, I just noticed it should be lifetime. Now, after selecting, I noticed that it has changed from 5,000 to 14. I'll fix that. And from July 3rd to July 31st, you can select the timing as per your preference. So here comes the audience part. Now you can select the location, age range, gender, and everything. So since in this video, I will show you how to target social media marketers. So let me select the age as 21 to 35. 35. Okay. And yes, 21. So as you can see the audience, you can see your audience definition, which has increased, which is not defined right now, so it's showing so high. So now I will refine it by going to demographics. Let's select job title. In demographics, you will see work and job title. Now I'll select social media strategist, social media marketing. So for social media, I see only two options. I'll select both of that. Social media marketing manager, social media manager. I'll select social media strategist also. Yes. So as you can see, the audience has gone too low now. It's from lakhs to 5,000 now. So it's right now 5,100. So as you can see in social media, there are very few options. So you can select more options like digital marketing manager, because that's also one and the same thing. Since I'm selecting titles, because if I select interest, then the audience will become too broad. I'll show you in some time. So let me select this digital marketing strategist, digital marketing manager. Again, the audience has gone up. So you have the option to either go to browse or select from suggestions. It will suggest you. So now I will show you, if at all I select social media as an interest, how the audience will be. Right now it's 14,000. After selecting, it has gone to like 95 lakhs. I think it's more. So we don't want it to be so broad. Make sure it is very narrow. It's in the mid level, not too broad, not too narrow as well. So now once you do that, you have the option to save your audiences, and you have the option to select the and option. As you can see in this graph, if if you match the two options, you will find the exact audience that you're looking for, as you can see in that graph. I can explain that in detail. If you want, do let me know in the comment section. Now in placements, you have the option in automatic and manual. Facebook generally suggests going for automatic, but it is good for certain campaigns, but for specific campaigns like video campaigns and stuff, manual placement is recommended. If you want again to want me to make a video on that, do let me know in the comment section. Now here I will select link clicks or landing page views, whatever suits the best. So if you have heavy text, then don't select the link clicks. I'll select landing page views, because with link clicks and heavy text, your click will be wasted. Now click the next button. Here you can select your page and your format. It can be a single image, carousel, or collection. Let me select this single image. Here you can see the option to add your media or create a video. If you create a video, I think it will show as per a slide share, a merge of everything. Now here you can select add media, and once you have done that, you can add your text. Right now I'm just writing blah 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 and blah. So your headline is important, your primary text is important, and if you want a description of what your ad is about, you can add that too. But your primary text and headline is important, although it's written optional. But in primary text, make sure your text doesn't go beyond 140 characters. So here as destination, you can either choose website, phone call, or a Facebook event. Whatever it is, you can add the URL. Now here's the call to action button. You should let people know what this ad is about, whether it is a lead form or a lead form or a download or just a website. You have to select your call to action button accordingly. Here you can add your pixels, and that's all about it. I'm sure this will be something your developers, from the technical department, they would know. And now you can select the publish button. Your campaign will be all set. If there are any errors, it will show you here. And then just select the publish button. Time for some additional tips. Try to keep the text as low as possible and make sure it's readable. Try giving value to your customers by letting them read an ebook or something in return. Try experimenting more with videos and carousel posts as they perform best. Try to A/B test your audiences or images or videos, as that will give you a clarity. Don't expand your audiences, just select the demographics that best suit your target audience. Give enough time for your campaign to optimize, to learn. That's it from my side. I hope you enjoyed this video. If at all you want me to make this video in Hindi, do let me know in the comment section, or if you want any more elaborations on any of the topics that I covered. Now don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. I know every YouTuber says that, but this kind of gives us a lot of motivation to create more such videos, as we put a lot of hard work behind this. So thank you for watching.